Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW X3 rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your BMW X3 is parked securely on a level surface with the ignition off. This simple maintenance task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 10 minutes. Having the right tools ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Let's get started with removing the old blade. To begin, gently lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip that holds it in place. Carefully press this tab down or squeeze the clip, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the attachment point on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, slowly and gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. With the new blade installed, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the rear wiper and washer fluid. Observe the new blade as it moves across the window. Ensure it makes full, even contact and clears the glass effectively without streaking or chattering. If everything looks good, you're all set. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.